Hi, this is Mithun Jain, certified fitness coach and nutritionist. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 mobility drills that you can do before your workouts, especially leg workouts. And these drills will greatly help improve your range of motion in squats, mobility in squats, overhead squats. And also these drills are great to start off your day with. Now, just to give you a brief about mobility drills. Now, mobility drills are not the same as stretches. Mobility drills helps release synovial fluid. Now, synovial fluid, it is a thick liquid that lubricates your joint. It allows for ease of movement. It allows for better range of motion while performing the exercise. Basically, it warms up your muscles and joints. Now let's see what are these 3 mobility drills. Squat to stand mobility drill. Your stance will be slightly wider than shoulder width and toes pointing out. From here you need to bend over and grab your toes and sit down as much as you can, keeping a neutral spine, and your elbows will be inwards, pushing the knees out in the direction of the toes. Also keep your shoulders down and do not shrug your shoulders. And this is how it will look from the sides. Notice how straight my spine is and my shoulders are down. So you need to keep your spine straight, shoulders down, look ahead and keep your chest up. Also, if you want, you can hold at the bottom position for a while. And if you lack ankle mobility and your heels come off the ground, you can place mats under your heels and that will allow you to sit down much more comfortably. I normally make my clients do this who lack ankle mobility. Also, if you are not able to touch your toes, you can bend your knees a lot more and then try to touch your toes and then sit down as much as you can, keeping a neutral spine. Here my femur bone is slightly below parallel to the floor, and then slowly increase the range of motion and try to sit down completely. Next is squat with reach. So sit down in a deep squat position and add a spinal rotation to it. Keep your arms straight and your thumbs will point towards you, and look at your hands when you are rotating. Keep your spine straight, chest up, and push your knees out with the help of your elbows. And if you find difficult looking at your hand, you can just look at your armpits and then twist. And this is how it will look from sideways. So if you notice how straight my spine is and it is not rounding, my thoracic spine is straight and I'm looking up and I'm pushing my knees out with the help of my elbows. Next one is squat to overhead squat mobility drill. So here I am squatting down and then raising my hands, both my hands completely straight. So this is a great mobility drill for your shoulders, and if you struggle with overhead squat exercise, so you can do these before and then start with your overhead squat exercise. Also will help in your snatches, clean and jerk and other movements which involve overhead squat position. Make sure your knees and toes travel in one direction and you keep your spine straight. You can also combine all the 3 mobility drills together, that is squat to stand and squat with reach, and then you can do squat to overhead squats, all 3 together. So do these drills before your workout and improve your squat, range of motion, mobility Share the video with others and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.